Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. To bring anything into your life, imagine it's already there. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrial finish up 183, NASDAQ down 12, S&P's up 9, gold contract up $15.60, traded at $1,042 an ounce. Gold, folks, wide price spread, accelerated volume, takes out the swing point. Gold's on its way up to the 1192 area. Silver finally caught a bid, up 37 cents, takes out the 1462 area, has the price spread also moving higher. Platinum up $24, $8.79 an ounce. Copper up 4.5 pennies at $2.09 a pound. Light sweet crude. What did light sweet crude do? Light sweet crude, folks, rejected the $29.75. It did that overnight. It did at 10:30 in the morning. Had lighter volume. It takes off topside up 259, 32.47. Bonds. The 10-year note down 2 ticks, 130.01. The 30-year down 24, 162.09. This after going topside in a dramatic way, spiking highs, then giving it up as the oil market took off. We had the Dow down 200, end up 183. Volatility, we have it in spades. King dollar got sliced, diced, all of the above. King dollar down 1,600 ticks. 97.21. King dollar's on its way down to the 94 level. And if King dollar breaks 93, folks, that's going to be some heavy action. We'll go through it on this update, but King dollar, that 93 is going to be crucial because that thing can get toasted and roasted. Euro up 187, traded 111, and the yen down 2 at 117.82. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Oh, man, it's deviant, folks. It's a beautiful thing. So, the SPY. What do we do with the SPY? The SPY, folks, is a small, well, it's actually a large ABC up inside a much larger ABC down. What the SPY did out here today is this. We did volume of 200 million shares. It was going into 286 million. You got to the high of the low of January 20th. You rejected it. You had lighter volume. Now check this out. This is where it's so subtle. And we did 210 million last Friday. This is an ABC up. The price projection's 200. And the thing that's bizarre is that the December 18th level, which I expect we're going to go into, is 199.83. So you get a potential ABC up. And it's going to be really easy to take out the B point because the B point on this baby only has, well, it's 136 million, but you still want over 200 actually. So we want kind of like we had today. That being said, because we came down with so much volume, we came down with 324 million shares as well as 286. It's going to be hard to get over that correlation. Bottom line, I expect you're going to get up there and then do what? And then the market's going to let loose again on the way down. NDX 100. Now, the NDX 100, it took a while to catch a bid, but it caught the bid. NDX 100, same type of setup. Got down to a price point of 99.88. The high of the low is 101.83. We're at 101.65. We did 60 million shares versus 86. This also wants to go higher. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, gold blew away everything. Has the price spread, has the volume, all of the above. Gold has been building cause for higher price. We did 179,000 contracts. Take out the swing points. We're at 1143. Gold's on its way to 1191. Silver finally caught a bid out here. Silver also took out all its swing points. Has the volume behind the move. You talk about volatility, man. Silver is just amazing. The number that we were looking for out here is the $14.64. The volume characteristic was 59,000. We did 61,000, took it out, has the price spread. Silver now is on its way up to the $16.23 price point. Oil was the story. If you were out trading early this morning or just watching oil at all, oil had the characteristics. It had intraday, about 5:30 this morning, it had rejected it went down to 29.40, and it rejected that price. The benchmark on this oil contract was 29.75. Now, what was really cool is this, folks, is that at 10:30, the API numbers come out. 10:30, bang, the thing goes all the way down to where? 29.74. 1 penny underneath it. It rejects it. It goes topside. Of course, as soon as that went topside, what did that do? That took the oil and gas equities topside. That took the S&P topside. King dollar. What do we have at King dollar? King dollar, get the peanut butter and jelly out. Get the cream cheese out. It's toast, baby. King dollar comes down 1,600 ticks. We do 60,000 contracts. You break the swing lows out there at 97.30. You break them with conviction. King dollar's on its way down to 94. The 93 level in King dollar is going to be really intriguing. The reason being is that if you take King dollar and we put this on a much longer term chart, what you're going to see is that this has been a consolidation that's been going on for years. This consolidation started in January of 2015, well, a year and a half. You break that, if we break that 93.15, guess what? King dollar will be down there at the 84 level ASAP. Bonds, the 10-year note. We go over to the 10-year note. We look at the 10-year note. 10-year note out here today got to a price point of 130.24. Monster move, by the way. Huge move. Then what did it do? Gave it up in spades. Come off that and come off that with volume. Tomorrow, the bond market's going to tell us quite a bit. Because if the bond market moves lower with volume tomorrow, bottom line, you'll see this baby come back fast and furious. The 30-year bond, we take a look at the 30-year. What you have with the 30-year, so it made sense. The 30-year gave it up first. The 10-year start following it on the way down. That's when the oil markets start going higher. 30-year made it to 164.07 today, closed at 162.10, traded as low as 162.05, and in both cases, folks, they had volume off the high. The real question is going to be, do you have follow-through with volume? Because then you would have volume off the high. Volume off the high inside markets equal much larger corrections. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials finished up 183. NASDAQ down 12. S&P's up 11.5. We're coming back with a lot of numbers for you, folks. You stay right there. Right back.